start, let's check our system first. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you say, yes, teacher, I can?
Yes, teacher, I can.
Okay, now how about my voice? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now, welcome to Acadsoc. Welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Diane. Hello. Can you say hi, Teacher Diane?
Hi, teacher Diane.
Very good. How about you? What is your name?
Amy.
Hello, Amy. I have a friend here. She is Andy. Hi, Amy.
Hi.
Andy and Teacher Diane wants to say, nice to meet you, Amy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, now, how old are you?
I'm 7.
Oh, you're 7 years old. Okay. What do you like to do?
Mm, mm,
Yes, Amy? Okay, Teacher Diane likes to sing and dance, okay? Do you want to hear?
yes.
Okay, hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Yay! So how about you? What do you like to do?
And drawing.
Wow, you're drawing. That's good to hear. Now, are you happy today?
Yes.
Very good. Great. Now, are you ready for our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, before we start, I want to show you my magic jar. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, this magic jar will give you a lot of candies every time you get a correct answer. Is it okay, Amy?
Yes.
Okay, now let's proceed to our lesson. Rainbow Bridge 1, Unit 2, and Lesson 14. Okay, colors and shapes. Can you say colors and shapes?
Colors and shapes.
Very good. Now, let's warm up. Listen to Teacher Diane and read. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, now the first one we have orange. Can you say orange?
Orange.
Okay, the carrot is orange. The carrot is orange. Next, we have brown. Brown. Can you say it, Amy?
Brown.
Okay, the wood is brown. Next
The
wood is
brown.
okay. Next, pink. Pink.
Pink.
Okay, I have a hat here. Its color pink. Okay,
Okay.
the hat is pink. Next, we have black. 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 Amy.
Black.
Okay, my hair is black. My hair is black. Okay,
Okay.
next one is we have white. Can you say white?
White.
Okay, the sky is white. Okay, clear? Okay,
Yes.
because of that, I will give you 2 candies. Congratulations, Amy. You have now a purple candy and a blue one candy. Next, let's proceed. Next one is we have yellow. Can you say yellow?
Yellow.
Okay, the star is yellow.
Yellow.
The star is yellow. Okay, next we have blue. Blue.
Balloon.
Okay, and D is color.
Balloon.
Very good. Andy is color blue, so the teddy bear is blue. Next, we have red. Can you say red?
Red.
Very good. So the heart is color.
Red.
Good job. So the heart is color red. The heart is red. Next, we have green. Can you say it, Amy?
Green.
Green. Good job. The tree is green. And the last one is we have purple. Can you say purple?
Purple.
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 Great job! So this scrunchie is purple, okay? The scrunchie is purple. Very good, Amy. Now I will give you another 3 candies. So you have now orange candy, a yellow one, and a green one, okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, Amy, now let's proceed to the next. Okay, listen to your teacher and read. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, the first one is we have a triangle. Triangle.
Triangle.
Can you repeat it 3 times, Amy?
Triangle.
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 Triangle. Great job! So it's a triangle. Next one is we have square. Can you say square?
Square.
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 Awesome! So it's square. Next we have a circle. Can you say it, Amy?
Circle.
Circle. Circle. So the plate is circle. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, next we have a star. Can you say it, Amy? A star.
A star.
Okay, so the star is color yellow, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, so it's a star. Great job, Amy. Now let's proceed to the next. Okay, listen to Teacher Diane again and read. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now the first one is we have a diamond. Can you say it 3 times, Amy?
A diamond. Diamond.
Diamond. So it's a diamond. Next we have, the next one is we have heart. Can you say it 3 times, Amy?
Heart. Heart. Heart.
Great job! Next, we have an oval. Oval. Can you say it 3 times? Oval.
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 Okay, so the field is oval. Do you know what field is? Amy?
Oval.
Yes, great job! So the field is like a garden, but the garden has many flowers and a field is only a grass. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, now we have a rectangle. Rectangle. Can you say it 3 times, Amy?
Rectangle.
Rectangle
Rectangle.
and rectangle.
And rectangle.
Great job! Because of that, I will give you a cupcake. Congratulations, Amy. Now, let's proceed to the next. Now, we will play, okay?
Okay.
Okay, look and match. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the first one is, what is it, Amy?
Triangle.
Okay, it's a triangle. And the next one is we have
Square.
a square. Great job. How about the third one, Amy? We have
Circle.
a circle. Awesome. Now, the last one we have,
In
it's
star.
a star. Great job. I will give you now a French fries. Do you like eating French fries?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now, let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, so the first one is we have a square. The first one is we have a triangle. The second one is a square. The third one is a circle. And the fourth one is a star. Now, we will play again. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now, again, look and match. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so the first one is we have, what is it, Amy?
Diamond.
A diamond. Great job. How about the next one? What is it, Amy?
A heart.
A heart. Good job. Next, we have, it is an O. Amy.
O.
It's an oval, okay?
Oval.
Oval. Very good. So it's an oval, and the example of an oval is a field, okay?
Okay.
Okay. How about the last one? What is it?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Great job. So I will add another candies in your magic jar. So you have now a pink candy and a purple candy. Is it good?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now, let's check. So, the first one is a diamond, next is a heart, and the third one is an oval. The last one is a rectangle. Congratulations, Amy. Now, look and say, okay?
Okay.
The first one is, it's a
Triangle.
triangle. How about the next one?
Square.
A square. The next one?
Circle.
Circle. How about the next one, Amy?
Star.
A star. Great job. You deserve a clap from teacher Diane, okay? Next, we have, what is it?
Diamond.
A diamond. How about the next one, Amy? What is
Heart.
it? A heart. And the next one is?
Oval.
Oval. How about the last one?
Square.
It's a rectangle, okay?
Rectangle.
Okay. Now, let's look and read, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the first one is a
Triangle.
Next, we have,
Square.
next, it is
Circle.
how about the next one, Amy?
Star.
And the next one?
Diamond.
Diamond. And the next one?
Heart.
Heart. And the second to the last is an O.
Oval.
Ball. And the last one is, it is a
Rectangle.
Great job, Amy! Now, you are done in our lesson. I want to say congratulations, Amy. I like that you participate in our class. Now, I noticed that there are some mistakes, but it's okay. You can improve that next time, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any question to teacher Diane?
No.
Okay, that's great to hear. Now, I want you to watch some English cartoons and read English books and listen some nursery rhymes, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Goodbye, Amy. See you in our next class. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
And teacher, maybe you use this material is 25 minutes. Our demo just 15 minutes, but you maybe use the wrong material. So next time, better to use the correct material for the demo, okay? But you did great job. I will give you pass
Thank
the
you.
demo, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's good
Goodbye.
to hear. Goodbye. Take care. Have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.